Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to be looking at drawing Newman projections. So what are Newman projections? Well, there are different types of conformations for the three-dimensional shapes from different orientations. So, to understand, let's consider this molecule here that we have. So there are multiple ways we could draw it. We can draw it with number one, the wedge and dash methods. You can see that would kind of be from a view like this. Now let me draw that. So kind of like that. That is our wedge and dash method. Or we can draw it with the sawhorse method, which kind of looks like this. You can see it kind of looks like a saw with the different hydrogens, and then finally there is our Newman projection, which looks like this. And that is our Newman projection. You can kind of see how that molecule shows, because this is the top, the front of the molecule, and then the other three hydrogens are at the back. So you're basically viewing it head on. Alright, so now let's do a little practice on drawing Newman structures. So you can see this neat little structure over here. It is a Newman structure. And, well, it's not a Newman structure yet. We have to draw it. So the observer is going to be looking down along that arrow, going straight through it like that. So now, how are we going to draw it? Well, we are going to draw it by drawing some extra things that actually need to be added. So you can see the methyl group is right here, and then we have a hydrogen in the back over here, and then that's pretty much it. So for the front carbon, what does the front carbon look like? We have down here a methyl group, so CH3, and then over here we have a bromine, and then over here we have a hydrogen. And then, so this is for the front carbon. Now for the back carbon. So over here, well actually this needs to be drawn like this. At the top we have a methyl group. And the lower left we have the hydrogen, and the lower right we have our bromine. So when we combine them, what does the structure look like? Well, remember we draw the back first by drawing a circle, and then we draw the back sticking out of it, CH3, and then we have to draw the front, but with an X in the middle, so like this. And that is our Newman projection of that molecule.